Eat ginger mixed with olive oil every morning, in this way, and this will happen to your body. Ginger and olive oil are two incredibly healthy food choices consumed by people around the world for their tremendous health-promoting benefits. Ginger comes from a flowering plant originating in Southeast Asia. It adds flavor to sweet and savory foods and has a range of health benefits. It belongs to the Zingiberaceae family, and it's closely related to turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. And olive oil is a liquid fat obtained by pressing whole olives, the fruit of Alaea europaea, a traditional tree crop of the Mediterranean basin, and extracting the oil. And when you combine these two ingredients, you get a great health mixture with many incredible health benefits. You can simply make your ginger and olive oil recipe at home by heat up both ingredients and letting them infuse together, or simply add them to your favorite side smoothie. 1 medium to a large piece of ginger root and 1 tablespoon of olive oil is then enough to obtain these health benefits. Now let's discuss the amazing health benefits of consuming ginger mixed with olive oil regularly. First, a combination of ginger and olive oil can provide plentiful nutritional benefits for our bodies. Ginger contains good amounts of vitamins and minerals and is especially well known for its unique and potent medicinal compounds and properties. It is also a good source of diet fiber and a powerful antioxidant known as gingerol. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is an antioxidant powerhouse and contains many biologically active antioxidants. It is also rich in monounsaturated fats, oleic acid, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Secondly, consuming a combination of ginger and olive oil is especially healthy for our heart. Ginger can help to lower and regulate bad LDL cholesterol levels significantly while also reducing blood triglycerides. The potent antioxidant gingerol is also helpful for promoting heart health since it can reduce inflammation and free radicals that can damage the cardiovascular system. Olive oil can also help to protect against heart disease and its risk factors. Extra virgin olive oil can help to protect against bad LDL cholesterol oxidation and decrease inflammation. As well, it can help to improve the overall health of our blood vessels and regulate blood pressure significantly. The third incredible benefit of consuming both ginger and olive oil is that this combination can help to improve brain function while also protecting against unwanted cognitive disorders, such as Alzheimer's, disbanded, and age-related cognitive decline. Studies have shown that the bioactive compounds found in ginger can reduce and inhibit inflammatory responses from occurring in the brain. Ginger may also be able to improve both memory and reaction time. Olive oil can also help to decrease the risk of Alzheimer's disease and cognitive decline. Studies have demonstrated that it can help to remove amyloid plaques, which can lead to neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Lastly, surprising to some, but consuming ginger mixed with olive oil can provide amazing antibacterial properties and benefits. Ginger can help to fight unwanted infections due to the potent compound gingerol while also lowering the risk of infections. Gingers have shown to have great antibacterial properties and can inhibit the growth of unwanted types of bacteria. Olive oil also has antibacterial properties. It contains nutrients and compounds that eliminated harmful bacteria in the body. This not only has the benefit of reducing bad bacteria but also boosting immunity overall.